Is Salesforce still the king of customer relationship management in 2025? Let's break down if it's worth the cost. Salesforce is a cloud-based CRM platform designed to manage sales, customer service, marketing, and analytics all in one place. In 2025, it's more AI-powered than ever. With Einstein AI automating lead scoring, follow-ups, and customer insights. The platform is highly customizable. You can create workflows, dashboards, and reports tailored to your business. It integrates with thousands of apps, from Slack to Gmail. For customer service, Salesforce Service Cloud offers omni-channel support, email, chat, phone, and social in one dashboard. The downside? Pricing can be steep, especially for small teams, and there's a learning curve. But for large or growing businesses, it's a powerhouse for managing relationships and boosting sales. If you want a feature-rich, AI-driven CRM, Salesforce still leads in 2025. Follow for more software reviews.